History of paper. Do you know where does paper come from? How is it made? Well, the term paper comes from the word papyrus. Egyptians invented paper by pressing papyrus strips together. In ancient China, the paper makers made thick, coarse sheets of paper by mixing finely chopped mulberry bark and hemp rags with water, mashing it flat, and then pressing out the water and letting it dry in the sun. Today, wood chips are boiled with caustic soda or another chemical to soften them and strip them of everything but their long stringy fibers in a paper making machine. This pulp is spread over a conveyor belt, blasted with air, then squeezed between rollers to turn it into dry papers. Papers are used to make cartons, furnishings, to mop up liquids, etc. Paper can also be recycled to make newspapers and toilet rolls.